Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Along America's vast coastlines, the Air and Marine Operations, AMO of the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, stand as vigilant protectors. With a formidable array of 250 aircraft and 290 marine vessels, AMO patrols over 95,000 miles of U.S. coastline. These highly trained agents, many of whom are seasoned veterans, harness advanced aeronautical and maritime capabilities to intercept and deter illegal activities. In 2023 alone, their vigilance led to over 1,000 arrests and the seizure of vast quantities of narcotics, including 256,883 pounds of cocaine and 2,049 pounds of fentanyl, safeguarding the nation's borders and ensuring the safety of its citizens. After the American Revolutionary War, the United States needed money. To raise funds, the government under President George Washington set up the U.S. Customs Service in 1789. This service collected taxes on imported goods, helping pay for important national projects and the country's expansion, like buying Louisiana and Alaska. Over the years, this service evolved to meet new challenges and eventually became what we know today as U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. In 2003, it became part of the Department of Homeland Security, shifting its focus towards securing America's borders. This change marked a major shift from its original role in revenue collection to becoming a key player in national security and managing the country's borders. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection's efforts underscore a robust national defense strategy extending from land to sea. Let's narrow our focus to a particularly intense aspect of this protection: the fast-paced maritime operations.
You guys headed southbound right now?
These operations start with high-tech radar systems stationed along the coastline, designed to detect any unauthorized vessels trying to enter U.S. waters. Once a target is spotted, the operation kicks into high gear. Helicopters and speedboats are deployed swiftly, working in unison to intercept the threat. This rapid response isn't just a display of speed and agility. It highlights the advanced training and cutting-edge technology employed by the Air and Marine Operations, AMO branch. Their high-tech assets, including sophisticated radar systems and specialized aircraft like the MQ-9 Predator B and the P-3 Orion, are crucial in these high-stakes scenarios. When people try to cross into the U.S. illegally via land, the response from U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, is swift and sophisticated. Here's how it typically happens. Surveillance technology, including drones and cameras, first spots the movement. These drones, like the MQ-9 Predator B, can fly for hours, providing real-time data to border agents. Once a group trying to cross is detected, helicopters are often deployed. They're fast and can reach remote areas quickly, which is crucial in the vast, often rugged border regions. The helicopter pilots and aerial crews are skilled in navigating these challenging environments and can quickly guide around agents to the group's location. When the border agents on the ground catch up, they detain the individuals for further processing, which involves identity verification and necessary legal actions. This high-tech and rapid response approach is a critical part of the efforts to secure the border and manage who comes into the country, aiming to keep both the migrants and the country safe. At the heart of U.S. border security, the training of Border Patrol agents is incredibly rigorous. Their preparation is vital, facing not just the physical demands of patrolling vast landscapes, but also the complexities of modern law enforcement challenges. This dedication is mirrored in the high-tech tools they use, which transform traditional Border Patrol strategies. For instance, sophisticated monitoring systems allow agents to oversee remote areas more effectively, enhancing their capability to secure the country's borders. This blend of advanced technology and strategic operations not only highlights the tactical improvements in maintaining national safety, but also illuminates the continuous efforts to safeguard the country against illegal activities. When building barriers and fences at ports of entry, the military uses a variety of heavy machinery and construction equipment. This includes using bulldozers, cranes, and other earth-moving and construction vehicles capable of handling the demanding tasks of moving large amounts of earth and lifting heavy materials like steel beams and concrete blocks. The Department of Defense in collaboration with the Department of Homeland Security, has historically provided this type of support under policies that allow military assistance in civil engineering projects that enhance national security. The construction efforts are not just about physical barriers, but are integrated into a larger system of border management that includes technological advancements and strategic infrastructure improvements at land ports of entry. The CBP Office of Field Operations, OFO, plays a critical role in managing the heavy influx of passenger cars and trucks at ports of entry across the United States. This agency, responsible for customs operations at numerous ports, ensures the efficient and secure processing of millions of vehicles annually. In fiscal year 2020, for example, the Laredo Field Office alone processed a staggering volume of traffic, including 3.5 million commercial trucks and 15.1 million privately owned vehicles. This was achieved despite the significant challenge posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, which had a noticeable impact on passenger traffic, but less on commercial volumes, which remained steady. OFO's operations are comprehensive, involving not only the inspection of vehicles, but also agricultural and trade compliance, targeting and analysis, and the deployment of canine teams for drug detection and other security tasks. The integration of modern technology, like the use of radio frequency identification, RFID technology at major entry points, enhances the speed and security of these processes. This technology enables quicker processing of vehicles at border crossings and is part of broader efforts to manage and secure America's borders effectively. As we move forward from discussions of border security to the broader implications of drone technology in national defense, the innovative use of drones becomes increasingly clear. Globally, drones are not just for surveillance. They are pivotal in attack and defense strategies, transforming modern battlefields. One particularly notable advancement comes from Endural Industries in the US with their Altius 700M drone. The drone was tested against a target simulating a Buick M2 air defense system, demonstrating its precision and power. The Altius 700M is equipped with a 15-kilogram warhead, comparable in destructive capability to the AGM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missile, but with an impressive range of up to 160 kilometers and an operational duration of 75 minutes. From its early days as a revenue-collecting entity to its current status as a key player in national security, U.S. Customs and Border Protection has undergone significant transformations. The agency's evolution reflects its ability to adapt and respond to changing threats, integrating cutting-edge technology and rigorous agent training. Today, CBP not only manages the nation's borders through advanced surveillance and rapid response operations, both at sea and on land, but also plays a critical role in upholding America's safety and enforcing its laws. This ongoing adaptation highlights CBP's essential function in maintaining the security and well-being of the country. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.